My name's Chris Jorgensen. I am the Director of Institutional Partnerships here at BARBRI. The great thing about the BARBRI Extended U.S. Bar Prep program is that it's primarily offered online. But we've found that there can be a benefit to offering additional content in a classroom setting. The way that the workshops complement the online curriculum is they give the students a little deeper dive into these formulas that they need to develop along the way to get ready for the bar exam. So the bar exam is offered in sort of three distinct sections of testing. And this is where the workshops come in and really complement that online learning, because at the workshops, I take the students through all of these different formulas that they'll be employing in these different sections. So BARBRI as a company is made up of professionals. We are a company of lawyers, and that's important because we are training law students and lawyers for the practice of law. Lawyers from Asia, from Africa, from all over Europe and the Americas as well. The program that we offer gives them that opportunity to kind of blaze their own trail a little bit, whether that's in their home jurisdiction or in a more international practice, or a combination of the two. We've been continuing to evolve our classroom workshop curriculum. I do that in connection with our mentor team, who works individually with the online students and the classroom-based students. I do that also in conjunction with our learning team based in Chicago. So collectively, we continue to review and revise what's being offered in the workshops as student needs grow and as the bar exam continues to evolve. We're always working to make it a better product for the end user.